How to fix Instagram story problem. First thing you want to do, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, and then go to Instagram app. Directly go to the storage or the internal storage and click on it. Click on clear data and click on delete. After that, click on clear cache. Go back and click on force stop. And then go into the data usage, disable all these options and enable them back again. And then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and click on this update option here in the green. When you click on it, your Instagram is gonna be updated and the problem is gonna be fixed. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.